A security camera that never needs charging, never needs wiring, and runs completely off the sun. Sounds perfect until you learn the catch. A security camera that never needs charging, never needs wiring, and runs completely off the sun. Sounds perfect until you learn the catch. Solar-powered cameras are one of the most searched categories in home security right now, and for good reason. No electrician, no drilling through walls, no monthly power cost. But there's a gap between what the marketing says and what actually happens on your wall. Let's close that gap. First, how solar cameras actually work. The solar panel doesn't power the camera directly. It charges an internal battery, and the battery powers the camera. This is important because it means the camera runs on stored energy, not real-time solar input. A typical solar camera panel outputs 3 to 6 watts. The camera itself needs 5 to 12 watts depending on features. Night vision, motion detection processing, live streaming all draw more power. So the panel is almost never producing enough power to run the camera and charge the battery simultaneously during heavy use. This means solar cameras work on an energy budget. During the day, the panel charges the battery. At night and during heavy use, the battery drains. If your panel collects more energy than the camera uses over a 24-hour cycle, you have perpetual runtime. If it doesn't, and in many real-world installations it doesn't, you'll eventually need to pull the camera down and charge it via USB. The critical number is daily direct sunlight hours. Most solar camera panels need 3 to 4 hours of direct, unobstructed sunlight per day to maintain charge. Not indirect light, not overcast skylight, direct sun hitting the panel. Here's where location makes or breaks your solar camera. In Phoenix, Miami, or Los Angeles, you're golden. Clear skies, strong sun angles, 5 to 7 hours of usable solar daily. Your solar camera will run indefinitely with zero maintenance. But in Seattle, Portland, London, or anywhere with long cloudy winters, November through February can be brutal. Cloud cover reduces solar panel output by 50 to 70%.